Ever wondered how a simple change can bring back your confidence and smile? Let's dive into the world of dental implants and see how this tooth replacement option has become a game changer for people with missing teeth. Dental implants, a game changer for missing teeth, act as artificial tooth roots. They fuse with your jawbone, forming a sturdy base for new teeth, perfectly matching your real ones. A dental implant preserves your jawbone's strength and maintains your oral health, preventing the issues that arise from a missing tooth. Why choose dental implants? They are a reliable, long-term solution, preserving jawbone strength and maintaining oral health. Say goodbye to the hassles of dentures and hello to comfort and confidence. Dental implants are designed for longevity, mimicking your natural teeth in look, feel, and function. They're easy to maintain, just like your real teeth, boosting your self-confidence and ensuring a high success rate. The journey to dental implants involves consultations, personalized treatment plans, and a surgical procedure. First, a small metal post, the implant, is placed into your jawbone, serving as a new tooth root. Over time, it fuses with the bone, creating a solid foundation. Then, an abutment is attached, which holds the custom-made crown, your new tooth. With local anesthesia and expert care, discomfort is minimal, and the results are remarkable. Your journey to a renewed smile begins with a simple step. Schedule a consultation with our skilled Brisbane dentists. They'll guide you through the process, ensuring your comfort and answering all your questions. Book your consultation today and discover how dental implants in Brisbane can change your life. Contact us at 07 33 43 48 69 or visit our website at puredentistry.com.au.